Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a best and worst luxury purchases. My name is Maria Scotto. I like to do luxury videos, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, luxury unboxings, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So like I said, this is going to be a best and worst luxury purchases that I've made. I'm going to do one best and then one worst and then, you know, switch off. So my first best luxury purchase is and you've seen these already, my Balenciaga Triple S sneakers. I love these sneakers. I'm just going to hold one because they're super heavy. But I love these sneakers so much. I wear them all the time. They're super comfortable now. When I first got them, they were very hard to get used to. But now that I've had them, I love them so much. I just wear them all the time. They're so easy to dress up or dress down with. One of my worst purchases, and this is probably going to be a shock for many people. I want to say it's my worst, but I have like a love and hate relationship with this Louis Vuitton piece, and it is the Louis Vuitton 6-key holder. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the design of it, like it's the damier print, so I'm not attracted to it as much as I was. Key fob is way too big to fit in here and also close it, so I thought that was a hassle. Alright, so my second best purchase is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. I love this key pouch so much. I do fit, back up. I can fit my keys in here, and I love this pouch because it is so versatile. I have stuff in here right now because I didn't want to take it out and everything, but I love this key pouch. I did make a video on this, so go check that out as well. I'll leave a link above. But I did do a video on how versatile this piece is, what you can fit in here, what you can use it for. So I love this little piece, and I do look forward, I am going to buy another print in this. I'm not sure which one I want. I'm kind of thrown off by the damier azur. I feel like that's gonna color transfer everywhere on that piece, but I don't know if you guys have the damier azur in this piece. Does it color transfer? Does it not? Let me know. Okay guys, so this is my second worst purchase ever, and it is my Fendi earrings. I'll show you guys what they look like. I just keep them in here. This is how they have been for like months. Okay, there we go. So yeah, these are the Fendi earrings. They're in this yellow gold. I love the yellow gold color. It's just when I wear them, they like make my ears droop, and I don't know if this is just me or a weird feature about me, but I have like, when my earring holes, they like, when I put heavy earrings, they make my hole larger. So these are kind of like heavy, so they make my ear like droop, and it just doesn't look cute. Like, I don't like the way that looks. If any of you are interested in buying these, let me know. So yeah, let me know in the comments, but yeah, I think I'm gonna sell these. All right, my third best purchase, luxury purchase, is my Gucci Marmont camera bag. I love this bag so much. I did do an unboxing of this bag, but of the mini, and a little reveal, I did return the mini. It was way too small for me, and I bought this one instead. I exchanged it for the bigger one, and I'm so happy that I did, because this bag is it's just amazing. I can fit everything that I need, and it's just so easy to wear. You can wear with anything really. And I had this for about a couple months now, and it's still in pristine condition, as you could tell. The gold hardware is so beautiful. I love the GGs on the front. Love the strap too, because it features a little bit of the metal. Like, this metal chain is so beautiful, and then it just has the leather, so this strap makes it super comfortable to wear. Crossbody, I usually wear this bag, and it's just pretty. It's a really pretty bag, and I definitely recommend this bag to everyone. Yeah, I love this bag. Okay, my fourth worst luxury purchase is Gucci card holder. This is in the Marmont style, and I was actually going to do a video on this. If you would like to see a video on this describing what I can fit in it and everything, let me know, or like this video. But yeah, I don't like this card holder only because it is very slim and I can only fit one card in each slot. And and I did try it out 2 cards and it was just making me nervous because it was like bulging and everything. So I just took them out and put it back in the box, and I was like, I'll just wear it when I'm only carrying a few cards. But I'm the type of person where I need to carry everything with me when I'm going out. Like, even in my bags, I need to carry every little thing. Even though I'm not going to use it, I just need everything with me. I'm the type of person, better safe than sorry. Yeah, that's how I am with my wallets. I need to bring everything, or else I don't feel right. So yeah, this is the card holder. I did get it because it matched my bag. I did buy these at the same time, but yeah, it's a worst purchase for me. So I think I'm definitely going to sell this. So if you're interested in this, I like used it one time, not even, just to put cards in, took it out, put it back in the box. Okay, so my fourth, or whatever number it is by now, I keep losing track. But okay, so my fourth best luxury purchase is this baby right here. I just got this over Christmas time. I did do a video on this. Go check it out. I know I keep saying the same thing. I did unbox this, and I love this mini pochette by Louis Vuitton. This is the Christmas animation 2019. And I love this pouch so much. I will always have this little pochette. Did I say pouch? I meant pochette, but I guess it could be considered a pouch. Anyway, I love this because I fit everything in here and I bring it along with me everywhere in each bag, and it does fit in each bag that I do bring. I will be doing a video on what you could fit in here and the different ways that you can use this, so hit that subscribe button so you are notified, and also the notification so you're notified. My last worst luxury purchase, and then I have a few more best luxury purchases. Worst luxury purchase is, and it kind of hurts me to say, but my Gucci Dionysus bag. I know. What, Maria? You just bought this bag. This is the bag that you've always wanted, that you've been wanting for months, and it's a worst luxury purchase? What? I know. I keep telling myself the same thing, but there's little things, there's little things that are turning me off about this bag. Does that make sense? Probably not. Okay, so the reason why I don't love this bag, I like this bag, I don't love this bag, is because it is too small for me. And I saved a lot of money on this bag, guys. I did, because I use Ebates. And so this bag originally is $16.90, I want to say, or $16.50. I know $1,600, okay? I got this bag for only like lower 1,500. It's mini. I could barely fit anything in this bag. Like I mentioned, I like to bring everything. And I know I need to learn to part ways with that little pet peeve of mine, but I just find it frustrating every time that I put stuff in this bag. I can't seem to take it out in a cute manner, if that makes sense. Like I'm just literally, when I go in this bag and I'm like online to go shopping, or I need my phone, literally have to take everything else out just to grab something that I actually need. I love the workmanship of this bag. Is that the right word? The workmanship of this bag. It is made very, very well. The strap digs into my shoulder a little bit when I'm wearing a crossbody. My hair is all over the place. I'm so sorry. As of right now, it is not my favorite. So in my mind, it's a worse luxury purchase, but it could change. So my best purchase, my next best purchase is my Louis Vuitton bum bag. I love this bag so much. Like, I am so happy that I bought this bag. I'm so happy because I almost didn't. But as soon as my essay said it was the last one, and I've been tracking this bag for like, I don't know how long. Every time I went to Louis Vuitton, I always asked for it. Never in stock, always sold out, everywhere. Like I couldn't resist this one. I just couldn't. So yeah, I love this bag because it's just cool. It's a cool bag. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. I love the strap right here. The strap is so cute and gives the bag like an extra oomph kind of feel to it. So yeah, I just love this bag so much. I forgot to mention one worst purchase, and that is, which is going to be a shock to people, okay? Louis Vuitton Neverfull. My mom is currently using this bag, so I don't want to show you the interior because she has all her stuff in there and I don't want to take all her stuff out. But this is the worst purchase for me, is because I've only had this bag for about 3 to 4 years now, I think. And the vachetta is not in its condition that I expected it was going to be. And when I first bought this bag, I thought this bag was going to be great for me. It was my first luxury handbag I've ever bought for myself with all my money. All my luxury items I buy with my own money. I work hard for my money and I treat myself, so just wanted to get I get it out there that I buy my own luxury stuff. But this bag was a worst purchase for me because I just don't like the way it fits on me. I don't like carrying it because the straps always fall off my shoulder, and that is a very big pet peeve of mine when it comes to handbags. It just gets heavy, and yeah, I just don't love it as much as I did. So that's why I gave it to my mom. She uses it, she loves it because she's a tote kind of person. When I first bought the bag, I didn't know what kind of handbag kind of person I was. If I liked crossbody, if I liked tote bags, if I liked, I didn't know. So as I was getting into luxury, experimenting with different bags, I found that I'm not a taupe kind of girl. So, and that's okay, but I will always have this bag because even though I don't love it as much as I did, it holds a great meaning to me because it was the first bag I ever bought for myself, the first luxury item I've ever bought for myself, handbag. And I know how hard I worked for this bag. I had a goal in mind that I was gonna get this bag. I was gonna treat myself because before this bag, I'd never really treat myself. I just worked all the time and I was just focused on, you know, saving up as much money as I could. So I did, and I bought this handbag, and I'm still to this day proud of myself because I did buy this handbag because I had a goal in mind and I achieved it. So yeah, I will always have this handbag in my collection. I'll never get rid of it because one, I used it and my mom used it, so it makes it more special to me that my mom is using it now too. So it's like, it's a story, it holds a story. So I love this bag, but it is a worst purchase for me because I just don't wear it and I don't pick it up at all now. So yeah, my I have 3 more best purchases. So my best purchase is, so this is the Chanel card holder. This is my first ever Chanel piece and only Chanel piece in my collection today, but I do look forward to purchasing more Chanel. I just love this Chanel card holder because it acts like a big wallet, but in this size, if that makes sense. I can fit all my cards in here, I can fit money in here. I just can fit so much in this card holder. That is all my worst and best luxury purchases. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys have any questions about any pieces, please let me know in the comments down below. I enjoyed making this video. It's fun. I've seen a lot of YouTubers doing this video and I just thought it was a great idea, so I did it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, like I said, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world. Go follow me on Instagram. Have a great rest of your day, guys, or night, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.